Good morning, everyone. We will have we will talk about personal protective equipment, which is the PPE. And this one will protect us during our workplace, in our workplace. So make sure we have protection for ourselves, especially if we're preparing food or there's a contamination. And if we go outside, if you're in a construction area, we need to have helmet, protective clothing, and boots. So it depends on the workplace we are in. So today, we will talk about the, um, I will focus on mask. Okay, but before that, before we use the mask, we need to sanitize ourselves first, or hand wash. Then I can give you the copy about how to have the proper instruction. So there's a guidelines there and
Thank you.
some direction. Then, so we will have the mask here and gloves. So these are the examples. Now, I'll give you some masks. Each of you, get one please. And okay. When we use the mask, we make sure that our hands clean and don't touch the one in the front, okay? So we can have press it to our nose so that it's snugly fit like that. Then we can make sure you can make like that. So there will be so that's the one we can make sure it's okay. Yeah? Mhm. Okay, very good, thank you. So when we use the mask, make sure you throw it right away. Because we don't leave mask everywhere. Like sometimes it's on the floor, sometimes everywhere, especially during pandemic time. I can see many masks that is everywhere, and that will spread the virus or contamination. So we make sure we throw it in the bin. Okay, so I'll put the bin, for example. So we put in the bin, okay? So after that, we make sure that we use hand sanitizer again. Do you have any question?
Um, what about if you've got a cough?
So if you have a cough, we need to remove it, of course. Then hand sanitize, and if you want, you need to change again if you want, because sometimes if we use it for longer time, we need to change it, especially if there's in the cup there's something there, so it's like we can smell it again. So we better have a new one if there's a possible. And there's also, this is like there's so many kinds of masks. So this one is like in the hospital, and there's the N95 thing, and there's also homemade mask. Like we sew it, even so we can make sure if we use the cloth mask that is reusable, make sure we wash it properly and sanitize and some kind of disinfectant, then under the sun, so that it will be alright. Okay, thank you very much. And so here, make sure we have hand sanitizer, gloves, and mask. Okay, thank you very much. And that will be our personal protective equipment for today. Thank you.
Thank you.